All right, so now that we know that, find the slope of a line that's parallel to another line whose equation is this. So what do I know again about parallel lines? Well, parallel lines, they never meet and they have the same what? The same slope and different, there must be different y-intercepts. Okay, so I'm going to look for something that has the same slope as this line, but a different y-intercept. That way it'll be parallel. So you're going to do this question and I'm going to do this one. So for my question, it says find the slope over a line perpendicular. And what do I know about perpendicular? All right, what you're going to do with that is you're going to take the slopes and you're going to flip and change the sign. On top of that, once I have those two slopes, I'm going to check my answer by saying the original slope times the perpendicular slope must be reciprocal to one another, which means when I multiply them, they must equal -1. So, okay, so I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to do my questions. You're going to do your question. You're looking for the same slope, different y-intercept. I'm looking for the slopes to flip and change the sign. So it says type in the equation into decimal. So here's my equation. Type in yours. As I do my question, you're doing your question. So I have 2x minus 5y equals 30. All right, so you should have typed in your question. Zoom out to see the line. So let me hit home. Okay, there. I've seen the line. Zoom out. Okay, so I got mine. Find 2 points and input them into a table. Okay, so I need to put in a table, but I need to find 2 points here. So I need to zoom in so I can see my 2 corners. And of course, your easiest 2 corners, if they have it, is this. But let me make sure that you understand how to find them. I'm pretty sure on the test, they're not going to give you those. So please practice with me, even though you can click and see. Practice finding those 2 lines. If it helps make you see the grid a little bit better, if you hit spanner or settings, I don't know, whatever this thing is called, and you hit minor grid lines, it takes out all the confusing boxes and you just can see. So if you look like this, I'm just looking for my corners. Here's a corner. And if I think I found a corner, I just highlight it at that corner. And if it is a corner, it'll be whole numbers like 10, -2. So again, even though you can click the X and Y intercepts and see what it is, let's go ahead and practice this. And you can zoom out and zoom in. So right now I've zoomed in so that it's going up by 1. I'm just finding another corner. Here's one other corner is what I think. So I'm going to bring my mouse, and yes, it is 20 and 2. So 20 and 2. So again, even though I know you're going to be tempted, please don't do that. Do not click on that. Do not use that. Practice this so I can help you, because I'm pretty sure on the test, they're going to give you ones that don't go through X nice and XY intercepts. All right, so now that I found my 2 points, what's next? Make sure the dots on the same line that you just put correctly. Okay, so I should see dots at 10, 20. So let me zoom out. Yep, so you see here my 2 dots and they're on the line. Perfect. All right, click the flag and look at M for slope. So if I click this flag, my M is 0.4, which if I want to see it as a fraction, I hit fraction. So 2/5. All right, so my slope for this line that I was given is 2/5. It says then use that to determine a slope parallel, which means same, or perpendicular, flip and change the sign. All right, so for me, my slope is 2/5. So go ahead and write whatever your slope is. So your slope is whatever you have. And then because mine is perpendicular, I need to take that slope, flip and change the sign. Because your slope is the same, you just need to say that it's the same. All right, so mine is flip and change. So that's going to become flipped 5/2. So I'm going to flip these 2 slopes and change the sign. So from positive, it becomes negative. All right, do not forget to check your answer by taking your original slope, which is 2/5, multiplying it by your new perpendicular slope, which is -5/2. And they should be multiplied together, should give you -1. So what this means again is these slopes are reciprocals of one another. The reciprocal is equal to -1. And that's all I have to do, because the question was find the slope. So my slope is -5/2 for my new line. Let's practice.